Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Maya Angelou. The great Maya Angelou was so eloquent. The question is, are you successful? Are you defining success for you and by you? Are you creating life from your authentic being, enjoying what you do and loving how you do it? Be honest. Do not answer this question for your social media persona. This is a prescription for measuring success by your standards and yours only, not the world. It's about learning that you create your life on your terms. You are unique and worthy to exist in your own way and the way you desire. Loving you and who you are is always the first step to creating your success. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously expanded and vibrationally uplifted by this.